Today we're going to give you a brief tutorial on using the eSpecial Needs height and tilt adjustable benches. These benches are a great solution for the clinic or classroom settings that encourage growing kiddos to learn better posture or independent seating. The benches are shipped with the legs removed. Install the legs with the rubber feet pointing downwards. Place the washers and then the knobs onto the bolts and tighten the knobs to secure the legs in place. To adjust or tilt the height of the bench, loosen the black knobs. Slide the legs sideways until the bolts are in the vertical slots. Move the leg to the desired position. To tilt the leg, move the front edge of the leg up or down relative to the rear. Do not tilt the leg so that one knob is positioned more than 2 slots higher or lower than the other. When using the bench, always make sure that the user is below 180 pounds. Always tighten the bolts before use. Never let the user stand up on the bench. For more information on the eSpecial Needs height and tilt adjustable benches, or to purchase your own, visit eSpecial Needs at the link below in the description. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.